Welcome to another Art of the Skies review, this time of the KLM 747-300 by InFlight200. This is a brand new model out at the end of 2015 into 2016. There are currently 144 available worldwide. Nothing new with the packaging of this in-flight model. It's very well secured inside and very well packaged. This in-flight model features a very sturdy and detailed stand. There is a little assembly required, but it takes probably about 2 minutes. From first look, this model looks amazing, featuring almost everything that I can remember major on a KLM 747-300 from back in the day when I worked on them. From navigation lights to authentic GE engines, this aircraft is very well detailed. From this angle, the model definitely gives you the impression of a huge 747 aircraft. Tires have grooves, as well as engines look amazing from the front. This model gives off a very realistic look as it sits on either your desk, on the stand, or wherever it's sitting. The engine blades are very well detailed and they look great. The cowlings do seem a little large, but it's all good. The fleet code above the windows, the silver outline, windshield wipers, all things that make InFlight200 one of my favorite aircraft model makers. I'm not gonna lie, this view right here looks like a real KLM 747-300. The detail along the side of this aircraft is fantastic. The Boeing 747 as well as Sir Frank Whittle, the doors, windows, even the cargo doors are just fantastic on this aircraft. Not that I was doubting it, but the landing gear assembly on this model is amazing and strong. Even the fleet code is on the bay doors. The engines look amazing. They're not as detailed as I would have liked, missing a few of the little panel doors and other markings. However, they do really look like the KLM GE engines that I remember from the 747-300s. Another nice feature on the upper deck is the Worldwide Reliability KLM Northwest logo sticker that was put on there. Very nice detail. The main gear assembly, just like the nose gear, quite well done. Very strong and sturdy. One of the best that I've seen on the 1/200 scale models. Like other InFlight200 models, the belly on this aircraft is a lot more detailed than many of the other 1/200 scale models I've seen. Excellent outline for the bay doors, 10i, other items are on the belly that are just amazing to have there. Makes the model that more realistic. End of the wings are very detailed, as well as the bottom of the engines, which have a little bit more markings than the sides. And the beacon light on the belly is there, as well as on the roof. Very nice looking model. There was a rough area of the model near the back, but if you've ever worked near aircraft, they're not always so clean and shiny as the models give off anyway. The only item I can really complain about is that when the model is on the stand, the landing gear don't tilt. However, with such a strong landing gear assembly on this model anyway, that's really not a big issue, and I usually have the aircraft sitting on the desk anyway. With that said, this InFlight 200 747 is a must-get for a KLM fan. Excellent job, InFlight 200. Thanks again, and be sure to get your hands on one of these before it's too late. This has been another Art of the Skies review. Please be sure to follow us on artoftheskies.com, Twitter, and YouTube. Thank you.